Oh yeah, I got it all muddy. What's that?
I thought you might have been going out.
If I had studs, maybe.
That'd be a wild time, man.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks.
Get your rubber down.
Thank you. So what is going on, guys? Right here. And again, we are on the bike. It is January 20th, 2018. By the time you watch this, who knows what date it'll be, but it is 45 degrees here, and oh yeah, I'm so happy to be out. I'm so happy to be out here. So today I want to talk to you about a good friend of mine, Mr. Brapbarian, and a project bike that he's putting together. And I want your guys' help. I want your guys' help because I want to see this whole project succeed. Succeed? That is not the right term. Succeed. But this project does not suck. This project is for an awesome cause. So he's building, I believe it's a 1979 Honda CB450. I hope I'm getting that right. If not, I mean, I'm gonna put, pictures of the bike up here and everything. But anyway, he's doing this project bike, and it's probably gonna run him about $8,000, like out of his own pocket. And all of that money is going into the bike out of his pocket. But he does need some help, and I'll get to that in a second. So this bike, he's still trying to figure out if he wants to raffle it off, sell it outright, do whatever. But all the money and proceeds from the bike are going to go to the Fisher House Foundation. Now, if you don't know what the Fisher House Foundation is, go look it up. It's kind of like a Ronald McDonald House for veterans and veteran families. So he wants to auction the bike off or raffle it off, and all of those proceeds are going to go towards the Fisher House. But we need your help. We need you. We need your help. So Mr. Brapbarian, finally, he decided to open up a Patreon. And a Patreon is something that allows people to donate for the cause. So, knowing that this is going to run him so much money, and everything, he has decided to open up a Patreon. And he's not asking you guys, he's not saying, hey, go do this. He's asking the kindness out of your heart. If, you could donate, anything you want. It could be $1, $10, $50. It's a monthly thing. Personally, right now, I'm doing $10 a month. And with that, you can get a sticker. And he might offer some more things out in the future, but right now, even if you do $1, you get a free sticker, and it's a monthly thing. So any little thing will help Mr. Brapbarian, but I want to see this dream come true. I want to see, this bike become a reality. He's already ordered some parts for it, so, it's not like it's something that he's just gonna back out of. He has his mind wrapped around this thing airtight. He has everything surrounded, every little thing that you could think of, down to the paint, nuts and bolts. He's got it covered of what he wants to do. And it's not going to be one of those fly-by-night, cheapo parts like I'm putting on my bobber. This is going to be top quality stuff. He's already ordered some, good stuff, but he has top quality stuff parts that he's putting on this bike. So, it's not going to be any kind of cheapo build bike. And again, Mr. Brapbarian needs your help. So I'm going to link the Patreon down here. If I can link it in the video, I will somewhere. But I'm also going to put some pictures up of what, he wants the bike to kind of look like. But, we got to make this happen for Mr. Brap. We got to make this happen. I'm doing my part, and I'm also planning for a wedding. So if I could put more away, I definitely would. But right now, my budget's $10 a month. So just think of that Big Mac. that, you know, you don't really need. Just put that away. Just, you know, put $5 away. Donate $5 to Mr. Brapbarian on his Patreon. Oh, and another thing that he's doing, he's gonna save all the receipts. So, you know, he's gonna save all the receipts so you can submit that, you know, into your tax return, you know, for charitable donations. Because again, all this money is going to turn around and go to the Fisher House Foundation for military families. So if you love country, if you love our military, if you love what they're doing for us, please go look him up, support Mr. Brapbarian's cause. He is also an Air Force veteran, so he knows what it's like to be in the community. Alright guys, so please, out of the kindness of your heart, go over to Mr. Brapbarian's page, check out his project of what he's doing with this bike, and let's make this happen for him. So until the next video, get out here and ride. It's snowing. There's snow all over the place, but I am having a blast. Oh, I missed it so much. But get out here and ride. Ride safe, guys. I love you. Until the next video, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.